In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Depop Promoted Listing feature and everything about it. So Depop's Promoted Listing or Boosted Listing feature is a marketing tool designed to increase the visibility of your items by placing them in prominent spots within search results or browse pages and suggested for you feeds. These listings are marked with a boosted tag and help items sell faster. In order to go ahead and activate it, all you need to do is firstly go into your selling hub and then simply go ahead and select your listing right over here where it says listings. And once you select your listing, tap on that and then click on boost listings. Select the specific items you want to promote and it'll be done. But boosting is free to set up and requires no upfront payment. You only pay a fee if the item sells through a boosted tile. So if a buyer clicks or views your boosted listing and purchases it within 28 days, a 8% fees in the US and Australia or 12% fees in the UK is going to be applied to the final sale price. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.